What's going on, guys? Pickle here, and today we're going to be doing some more math. Now, I don't want this to be the main part of my channel, but this is kind of a side thing that I'm going to do about 3-ish videos a week, and I did create a playlist if you're interested. Now, today we're learning above and below. Now, for example, let's start with an example. So you have a board. Let's pretend my arm is a board. Now, above would be on top of the board. Below would be underneath of the board. Everybody got it? One more time. Above is on top, underneath is on the bottom. Now, let's start with some examples. Which object is below the desk? Now remember, below is on the bottom. So we have to click on the object below the desk, which is the plane. Let's see if we're right. We did it. Which object is above the bench? Well, here's the bench. The trash can is underneath of the bench. Above means on top of the bench or higher than the bench. So that means the baseball. A couple more examples, and then we'll do a little more instruction. So we have to figure out below. Remember, below is underneath, which means the firecracker tin. Now, which object is above the table? Now, the trash can, the party hat, the dice are all below the table, but below is underneath. We need to find what is above it or higher than it, which is the shell. Great. I think one more, and I think we'll have it down. Which object is below the bench? Well, if this cone, if this cone is above the bench, we need to figure out what's below the bench. So the cube would be below the bench. Let's click that. Here are some things to remember. Above is higher than, below is lower than. One more time. Above is higher than, below is lower than. Now, let's see. I think we have time for one more example. Which object is below the bench? Well, if the cone is on top of the bench again, because it's higher than, the beach ball must be below the bench because it's lower than. So then it's the beach ball. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's lesson. Guys, make sure you like and subscribe so you never ever miss another one of our lessons here at Pickle Empire. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye, guys. Have a magical day.